Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today. I got a little bit of a cold. So today I'm doing a variation of my own chicken stew recipe. So stay tuned. Okay, so basically it's a variation of my chicken stew recipe, which I love to make when I'm not feeling well because, well, obvious reasons. Because I'm out of the usual ingredients. I'm out of potatoes, but I do have sweet potatoes. What else am I out of? I can't even think right now. Well, at any rate, I found a recipe for chicken stew with sweet potatoes on the internet, so I'm kind of going to do a version of that. So in here we've got some sweet potatoes that I've chopped up, or actually these are yams, I think technically, and then some celery down there and some shredded carrots. I'm basically using what I have in the fridge. So I've already got the crock pot out, and in there I've got some butter melting with some onions, and then I'm going to add some chicken, some garlic, some white cooking wine, some pepper, and some thyme. And then I'm also going to throw in, for good measure, some cream of chicken soup and this cream of mushroom soup that I need to use up. I got a half a can of that. And then my favorite, better than bouillon if we need it, I'll mix that up with some water and put that in there, and we'll see how it tastes. It's kind of an experiment. I like to experiment, but hopefully it's good. We'll see. All right. All right, we've got it filled to the brim. I'm just going to stir this in a little bit to incorporate it. I'm so curious to see what this is going to taste like. But since I kind of don't feel well, I'm thinking any kind of soup is going to taste good, so we'll see what happens. A lot of good stuff in there. It looks pretty. All right, I'm going to just cook this on low for 5 or 6 hours. This crock pot cooks really fast. All right, let's let it do its magical thing. And at this point, I'm not going to add any salt because there's that better than bouillon in there that has salt. There's the cream of chicken soup, which has a lot of salt, and the cream of mushroom soup. So Probably good on salt, but we'll check it later. All right. Do your thing. Check in on this and see what's doing. I'm not sure how long it's been cooking. A couple hours maybe? I did end up turning it up to high just to speed things along because it is kind of late. It's already 3 o'clock. I was like, oops, dinner time. It's going to be approaching soon. It's coming along. It smells good. I don't want to taste it yet because I want to make sure the chicken is, you know, to a certain level of doneness before I start sampling it. All right. We're going to let it keep going. All right, it's time to check in on this. I think it's been going for about 4 hours, maybe 3.5. And it is coming along. It's time to taste it. Wow, it's good. Wow, it's good. It's a whole new thing. It's definitely not like my original chicken stew recipe, that's for sure. It's really good. I don't even think it needs anything. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of the pink salt, and that's it. I already checked the sweet potatoes in there, and they're already soft, so... Alright, I turned it off while I was still talking, but the sweet potatoes are already soft. It's on low at this point. I think maybe another hour and it'll be done. Yummy. Okay, so I just finished shredding up the chicken, and this looks really good. I'd say it's officially done. I've switched it over to warm, and I can't wait to eat it. Well, there's a lot of chicken in there. I only put it in 2 pieces, but I guess it really goes a long way. I can't wait to eat it. It's the end of the day. I was supposed to just take the day off and, you know, like take a sick day, but instead I ended up cooking a bunch of stuff and making a bunch of videos and doing a bunch of other stuff. So now it's 5 o'clock and I'm super tired. This is going to taste good. It's going to be one of those nights where I'm in bed at like 7 o'clock. I'm going to make some crescent rolls to go with this, which will be really good for dipping. And then we're going to eat it. I can't wait. This is ready and I'm about to dive into this. I cannot wait. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.